In a hospital CEO's world, each day is a balancing act, pitting short-term financial demands against the need to implement long-term strategies necessary to ensure a successful future in an uncertain healthcare environment. Today's hospitals are faced with shrinking finances and a host of other challenges. A hospital administrator must deal with numerous physician recruitment and retention challenges, healthcare's uncertain reimbursement future, imminent changes in care delivery systems, and ever-increasing competition from other healthcare facilities. Intensifying competition from those other healthcare providers for both patients and leading physicians forces a hospital to identify new and unique ways to differentiate itself from the facility down the street and to prevent patient out-migration to a hospital in a neighboring city. It's not enough to launch a marketing campaign with catchy billboards or TV spots. For a hospital to truly set itself apart from the pack, it must change the perceptions of the community and the physicians themselves to regard it as offering the highest quality of cutting-edge care, which is key to driving patients to the hospital. The very finest and most successful hospitals offer and attract the kind of scientific minds that bring about medical breakthroughs. That's the apex of quality. These market-leading hospitals are increasingly turning to clinical research as a long-term strategy to achieve this type of success. Engaging in clinical research creates a halo effect, a place where the best and brightest physicians want to be, and where the physicians and patients have access to groundbreaking therapeutic options. It's another dimension to the level and quality of services being provided, and lifts the hospital above the competitive fray. Participation in clinical research will help elevate the image of the organization. The hospital will stand tall among its competition. Patients won't feel like they need to leave their own community to gain access to cutting-edge therapies. Research programs also help generate revenue from non-traditional payer sources, pharmaceutical and device companies. A research culture provides a real differentiation for marketing, adding an entirely new dimension to a hospital's strategic plan. But to build a robust, successful clinical research program and fully capitalize on all of its benefits, the right expertise and infrastructure must be in place. GuideStar Clinical Trials Management delivers that infrastructure to hospitals. GuideStar works with healthcare organizations across the country to build and manage successful research departments or provide support to existing programs. GuideStar has the expertise, the knowledge, and the experience to assist hospitals and health systems in realizing the tremendous benefits of being active in clinical trials. GuideStar builds the infrastructure, can help manage the research operation, ensures compliance, manages research finances, and delivers the right clinical trial opportunities to the hospital. And because of strong relationships cultivated with pharmaceutical and device sponsors, GuideStar delivers an almost instant pipeline of trials in specialties appropriate for the hospital and its physicians. GuideStar's research directors oversee on-site coordinators to manage trials, and GuideStar trains physicians to become investigators, ensuring that they understand their roles in clinical research. By engaging GuideStar, the hospital will enjoy all of the benefits that come with having a clinical trials program: new revenue stream, enhanced image, physician relationships, all of which translate into achieving the larger strategy of a greater market share. GuideStar leads the way in clinical research strategy and management.